Guys, so we're doing the bearings, wheel bearings for this Dodge Ram 2500, and it's a full assembly. Alright guys, so I make a video before this to show you the bad wheel bearings. So now guys, as you can see, it have a play. So that's really bad. But you have to be careful. It's very hard to notice. If you watch my previous video, you have to spin the wheel and make sure you can hear the humming. But this, it sounds like a brakes. This part is finished, but it's squeaking at the end of the stop. Alright guys, so here we do it. This swip, the tire then, it's 21. Pop that out from here. We get it a hit, pop out, put it on the top here guys. Won't bother you. And we're gonna take out this one here, that's a 21 as well, and pop it down. And we already take off the big nut already. I think that's about 36 or 40 something right here. And we take out the caliper and put it aside, put it on a crate, so we'd have to dismantle the brakes and stuff something in here so the brakes won't come apart. And then behind here we have I think it's 18 or 21 we have behind here guys. That's pretty simple and straightforward guys. We have 318 here, 318 in the back, and the brakes pop right up. But guys, always remember to lube this properly and inside here, because sometimes the axle stuck. But I know this axle didn't stuck because I changed this axle a couple months ago for these guys. So this is about it. When you put this back, this will come forward. Then you get to push the axle. You don't have to push the axle all the way back. This will come forward and it'll give you enough space to take out the 3 bolts in the back, and then you could hammer the assembly off or use a tool. But I almost knock it with a hammer, come right off. Now guys, stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you the rest and finishing and how to finish it. I don't want to make this video long, so I'll just make this video step by step. So this is a 21 big bolt, 21 for the caliper. So just take out the 2 big bolts in the bracket and rest it on the top, so you don't have to mess with that again there. And then you take out the 21, which I'm going to do right now. 21. Guys, you have a lot of space on this one. Some trucks you don't even have this space. So 21. Guys, and if it's spinning that bar guys, I'll show you what to do. So glad this is happening right now. You put a bar on top here and pry it back down just like this. Somebody is there to help you. You put it either here and you pry it back down into the socket, and then you just go back here and there you go. It pops it right out, because you need to get it into the groove so it's stuck here in the pinto side in the crevice. Alright guys, I'm gonna be finished up this video, but I'm gonna show you how to get everything back together. I just explain a little bit more in details when I go forward. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next side of the video again. This is the next half of the video. As I was saying, you pop this out here and this go right back, but be careful with this wire. You don't want to put this one because that's the ABS wire. And guys, I pull the axle out because this axle is extended travel. It extend from here and go back in, so it's easy to pull out. So the other axle, some of them not too fortunate, but this one is. So guys, there's the bolt behind, and I was saying it's 18 guys, sorry for that, it's 21. So I take the axle out because I can put the gun on it guys, just like this, and I could, they kind of hard guys. I'll pause the video and I'll get back to you when I get them break. Alright guys, so here now I get it off and I heated the bolt a little bit on the bearings. I just heated on the other side on the hub here, and then it just came right out with a gun. So I just hit the hammer and it fall right off. And after that one guys, I clean up the spot nicely. Already did that. So I don't want to make a long video, so I'm gonna just recap what I did. So if this was not extended travel axle, guys, because this is extended travel because they have a lift, the axle go further in. So that's why I'll be able to pop the axle out from here. But most of the time, if it's not extended travel, this is a lot higher. And guys, I gotta make this video quick before my battery is dead and we record on my phone. So as I say, all the bolts are wrong. Is 21 for this too. And make sure when you put in back this plate, guys, don't put it this way with the cone shape out, then you get problem. I did that before. So always put it turned to this way so you can get the gap there for the caliper, right like this is, and the wire go to right here where the thin clip is. Guys, so if you like this channel and you want to subscribe, guys, I thank you for the support. And I'm almost 500 followers, subscribers. So thank you guys for who following. I really appreciate it. And newcomers, followers, thank you as well too. Thanks for the love and support. It gave me strength and feeling to go on, keeping doing videos like this till you can learn something. So guys, as I say, if you're new to my channel and you have any comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys. I know I've been replying late to comments lately, but I don't really get a chance to go in the comments because I'm working and I'm trying to edit and all that kind of stuff, guys. So have some patience too, guys. And as I say, all the bolts here, 21 wrapped over here, 21, 21, and 21, and 21. And guys, you just put back in the bearings because this axle is extended travel. And if it's a regular axle, you can't get it back. You got to take off the bottom bolts. So I get lucky today. It's my lucky day. So you just put back in the bearings, guys, and put the bolts back, and then the reverse procedure, guys. So if you miss anything, please rewind the video and you can see what happening. Alright guys, thank you very much and have a good day, guys. Don't forget, if you like something, say something. If you don't like something, say something. And if you like this thing, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Guys, I forget to mention, please put some anti-seize and some lubrication where the bearings going, guys. It helps for the next mechanic to get the bearings out in the future, so it won't be stuck and all hard to go. Alright guys, I'm out. Yeah, and don't forget, if you walk in love, live in love. Always be considerate to other mechanics and don't just think about yourself. Alright guys, I love you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.